onto those hats today. Another windy one across the area. Look at these waves turning out by Lauderdale by the sea. Of course, the palm trees swaying in the wind. We've seen gusts of around 30 miles per hour so far today. Even sustained winds running over 20 miles per hour in spots. Temperatures in the upper 70s. We also have a high rip current risk, and what we're also dealing with, at least for coastal Broward County, is a high surf advisory. That's what we have in effect. That'll at least be through Thursday, with the potential of seeing some large waves between about 6 to even 8 feet. We continue on with the cloud cover that's been moving in. Not much rain so far today, but because we still have that breeze out of the east, could be driving in just a couple showers across the region at times, much like what we had yesterday. A warmer afternoon. We've already climbed into the upper 70s for most of us. Pompano Beach now at 80 degrees already as we continue with this warming trend. Today, likely the last day in the 70s. Some of us already breaking into the 80s, as you just saw, for quite some time, as we will be looking at a stretch of 80-degree highs ahead. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even into the weekend, we're going to be keeping it warm. That little cool down that we had this past weekend certainly was short-lived. What we're also going to see are some minimal rain chances, only about a 10 to 20% chance each and every day. And that's just thanks to the fact that we will continue with this persisting wind off the ocean. So we always can't quite rule out quick little shower darting across the area with that kind of setup. Certainly will be the case today. We'll continue to watch for these clouds build in, mostly cloudy to cloudy skies as we head into the remainder of this afternoon, and the breezy to windy conditions will stick around. Heading into tonight, we keep it dry with the mostly cloudy sky. We'll be looking at another drier day again for tomorrow, with just a low-end chance to see a couple more showers come in with that ocean breeze, but tomorrow will be very similar to what we have today. Upper 70s for highs this afternoon. We're going to be looking at then those highs climbing into the 80s for tomorrow, staying warm through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. We should be looking at that breeze continuing at least through Thursday before we'll start to see some improvements come Friday into Saturday for the weekend. Now, Sunday's the day that will be tracking likely our next cold front on the way. Looks to move through sometime Sunday night, and behind that we will be experiencing a little bit of a cool down, along with the chance of seeing a few showers Sunday afternoon. All about the 80s though in the meantime. That'll take us into the weekend. A nice weekend ahead. Saturday mainly dry. Sunday just that low-end chance for a few showers late in the day. That front moves through and we go from the 80s back down into the middle 70s for highs by early next week.